Unlocking secrets of the financial market. Ever wondered how the financial market impacts your everyday life? Let's dive in and explore this intriguing world that influences everything from the price of your morning coffee to the value of your retirement savings. Financial markets are platforms where buyers and sellers engage in the trade of financial assets. They play a crucial role in facilitating the flow of capital, providing liquidity, and helping businesses grow, ultimately driving economic stability and growth worldwide. There are various types of financial markets, each serving a unique purpose. The stock market deals with shares of companies, the bond market focuses on debt securities, Forex involves currency trading, and commodities market trades physical goods like gold and oil. Stocks represent ownership in a company and entitle shareholders to a portion of the profits. They are traded on stock exchanges, where investors buy and sell shares, influencing company value and impacting their potential for growth and expansion. Bonds are essentially loans made by investors to borrowers like governments or corporations. They provide a steady income stream and are considered a safer investment compared to stocks, playing a vital role in funding projects and maintaining financial stability. Currency trading, or Forex, is a vast global market where currencies are bought and sold. It operates 24 hours a day, influencing exchange rates worldwide. Traders capitalize on price fluctuations, making it crucial for international business and travel. The commodities market deals with physical goods like gold, oil, and agricultural products. Prices are driven by supply and demand dynamics. Investors trade futures contracts, speculating on price movements, making it a vital part of the global economy. Key players in financial markets include individual investors, traders, and large institutions like banks and hedge funds. These participants drive market activity, each with different goals, from long-term wealth accumulation to short-term profit generation through trading. Buying and selling in financial markets occur through exchanges, where prices are set by supply and demand. Brokers facilitate transactions for individuals and institutions, while technology has streamlined the process, making markets more accessible and efficient globally. Market indicators, such as stock indexes like the S&P 500, provide snapshots of market performance. These tools help analysts gauge economic health, guide investment decisions, and understand market trends, offering valuable insights into overall financial market dynamics. Regulation in financial markets ensures fair play, protecting investors from fraud and maintaining stability. Authorities impose rules to prevent malpractice and systemic risks. This oversight builds trust, encouraging participation and fostering a healthy economic environment that benefits all market participants. Financial markets carry inherent risks, including volatility, economic shifts, and geopolitical events. Investors must conduct thorough research and exercise caution. Understanding these risks and implementing risk management strategies is crucial for protecting investments and minimizing potential losses. Technology has revolutionized trading, making it faster and more accessible. Online platforms allow real-time data analysis and transactions, empowering individual investors. Innovations like algorithmic trading and blockchain are continuously reshaping how markets function, enhancing efficiency and transparency. Current market trends reflect a growing focus on sustainability and technology. Environmental, social, and governance (ESG) investing is gaining traction, while digital currencies and fintech innovations are capturing attention. These trends are redefining investment priorities and shaping the future landscape. Financial markets play a pivotal role in economic growth by facilitating capital flow and resource allocation. They enable businesses to raise funds for expansion, driving innovation and job creation. A robust financial market is essential for a thriving and dynamic economy. Investment strategies vary widely, catering to different goals and risk appetites. Day trading involves buying and selling within short time frames to capitalize on market fluctuations. Long-term investing focuses on holding assets over years, seeking growth and dividends. Financial markets are often shrouded in myths, with many believing only experts can succeed. In reality, anyone can learn to invest wisely with research and discipline. Another misconception is that investing is akin to gambling, which overlooks strategic planning. Global financial markets are deeply interconnected, with events in one region impacting others. This interconnectedness means trends and crises can quickly ripple across borders, emphasizing the importance of global awareness and diversified portfolios for investors. The future of financial markets is poised for transformation, driven by technologies like blockchain and AI. These innovations promise greater efficiency and transparency while also introducing new complexities and opportunities for investors willing to adapt. Beginners should focus on education and start small, gradually increasing their investments as they gain confidence. It's crucial to set clear financial goals, diversify portfolios, and stay informed about market trends to navigate the investing world successfully. Financial markets are vital cogs in the economic machine, influencing everything from personal investments to global economies. By understanding their dynamics, participants, and tools, one can navigate these markets with greater confidence and strategic insight.